Okay, guys, here's what's happening with our Roadrunner clone. We've still got to clear the orange.
We're just going to polish it.
Polish it, yes.
It was cleared, so.
Okay, yes. So
I sanded it before we did the black so that I didn't sand up against a fresh color. So now I mask this off and I can polish the orange.
So we went with a kind of a matte black, like they don't make the original paint. Organosol, was that what it was called?
I'm pretty sure that was the name.
Yeah, I think he called it Organosol. So we've gone with a kind of a semi-flat black. We're not sure if it's a little too shiny or not, but once we put the hood on and we polish it, we'll reassess. But anyway, this is gonna look pretty sick once it goes on here. We've got this one all painted. It's all looking good. Said we went with a 69 stripe package as opposed to 68 because I happen to like the vertical stripes as opposed to just the horizontal across the middle of the hood. So,
do we have these hood bumpers in yet? Kind of hate to put the hood on.
Did we not order them?
Perhaps. That's your.
We'll have to go. Yeah, okay. We'll have to go through and look. If not, we will go liberate. We will go and liberate some because I'm sure in all the 20 B bodies we have up there might be a pair. So that's the update on this. We've still got to, we're going to black out the chassis here after. Yeah, the K-frame. We've got brand new Hemi torsion bars to go in. We've got brand new Hemi rear springs for the back. And then we still might be selling this as is. We're not sure yet. We might just put the top and the upholstery in. And we've got so many projects I'd like to get to before I die of old age. So the longer we take building them, the fewer that we actually get to build. And like most people have told us, this is the part that they have the hardest time getting the car to this stage. Rust repair, body, and paint.
Yeah.
So if we can get them to that stage, or even just a rust repair done in a roller, then it makes it way easier for most people to finish a project.
We look after the pain and suffering.
Yes, yes. Here we go. Okay, Blair, you need a hand? We'll put that hood on.
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay, what do we need? Another 1/2 inch?
Yes.
Hang on, let me get a ratchet one.
Okay.
I just put them away, so I should have one. Whatever, I don't have a ratchet one, but I got one. $3 million, everything except, let me get a ratchet one. I got some here. Okay, 1/2 inch. Should be right here. Beauty, okay. Okay, I got one. You took a picture, you got them marked, right?
Well, no, not for the hood, for the hinges.
Oh, okay.
So these hinges, all I want is to help put it on, snug them up.
Okay.
And then I'm going to plate it.
Where's the bolts?
The back of the hood. The bolts are down here. They're all doped up.
Okay.
The hood's back there. Are we going to be able to carry them?
Maybe we'll just carry them around this way and come in from the front. What do you think? I think it might be easier. I think it might be easier.
I'm very curious because remember I added to the back end of the hood.
Yeah. Okay.
You got higher, man.
Okay. Okay, you gotta go past. Okay, can do the pivot. The pivot. Okay.
Whoa, shoot.
What?
You scared the crap out of me.
Hang on. Wait a sec. Yeah. Okay, can you get one first? I'll hold it up here for you. Let me know when, and then I'll get one.
Yeah, I got the back one started.
Okay, hold it. Okay, can you?
It's handier if you can keep your thumb off the paint and just keep your hand down.
Okay, yeah. Come on. Wait a sec.
Better?
I think I got it started. I just want to. Dirty run. Okay. About there. Do you figure it's somewhere where it was before? Or not?
No, that's all right.
Okay, I'll just snug it a bit. Yeah. Hang on, I moved it. That paint's still a little gummy.
It is.
I know.
It's alarming. Ratchet's driving me freaking nuts, man.
Okay. Yeah, and I got this thing driving. I got it. Yeah. It's crossed in here and I can't get it out. Because you're. Hang on while it's crossed.
Okay, so we just gotta pick it up.
Yeah.
Pick it up. There we go.
Okay. Yeah. Just put thumbprints in it.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Doesn't matter what happens.
Well.
Whoop. There we go. Okay, up here. Whoop, let's go there. Okay, I got it.
Okay. Put an arm print in there.
Okay.
It's going to look great once we polish it, right? This has all been sanded. That's why it's dull. Once we have the contrast. Got to do a little more gapping here. Fuck. I can't touch that paint. It's still wet. Not wet, but slightly down. Oh yeah, our gap's way nicer now. Beauty. I'm liking it. It's going to look sick. White top. Once it's polished, it's still pretty shiny, eh? Well, what do you think?
Whose car is it?
It's mine. What do you think?
I think it looks great. Does it look original? No.
No. Let's see what it looks like when it's polished, because that's not much.
It's not dry yet.
No, I know.
When it dies a bit more.
Yeah, okay. Whatever, we'll let it sit. It's sitting there. It's not.
There we go.
Okay, now let's let it sit for a while. It might be like a wine, improve with age.